Good morning, everyone. I am teacher Sarah. So today we will explore the three important teaching approaches used in science in primary grades. The teacher-centered approach, the children or the child-centered approach, and the demonstration approach. So let's see how the teachers-centered look like. So first, we tackle about teacher-centered approach. So what is teacher-centered approach? So this approach is the teacher is the main source of knowledge. So the students will mostly listen, take notes, and follow instruction. So this means that the teacher has a spoon feeding for the students. Hungitan ang mga estudyante og mga information para sila igo na sila maminaw. For example, I explain a lot of information, so the student will only listen. The one advantage of it is this approach save time to your teaching strategies or teaching style. Or take time to organize and focus all the lessons. But one disadvantages is the students may not get a chance to express their own ideas. Why? Because the teacher has the main knowledge of the teacher-centered approach. Understand? Next is the child-centered approach. What is child-centered approach? So in this style, the teacher will only facilitate and guide the learners. The students are more active in the learning process. So they ask questions, explore, and discover new things by their own. Just like learning by the way. So, Cherise, do you have any question?
Teacher, why does ice melt?
That's great question. Oh, kinsa ganahan mo answer? So, Kelly, what is your answer?
Because of the heat, teacher, ice turns to water when it gets warm.
Exactly. You are took adaptation of the learner-centered. So, the learner-centered also is give the advantages or the big advantages to us because this approach, it can promote the critical thinking of the students. But a big challenge of it is a waste of time, more time will taken, and also get out of topic because of your curiosity of the students. That's the disadvantages of the student-centered approach. Now, let's proceed to the demonstration approach. What is demonstration approach? So, demonstration approach is the teacher show the actual experiment or an activity before or the students to be observed. So, diri, ang mga student will observe only the teacher and the teacher not just talking but also in action.
Here, I have a glass of water and an ice cube. So watch closely how the ice melts over time. It is slowly melting over time.
So demonstration approach help the students understand the science concept by seeing the things in real life. So an advantages to this approach is helps the students see the concept in action. So it make easier to understand because they see in their eyes what is look like. Like for example, if we see how to tahi the our clothes, we can do this like ingon na unday na, so maka-learn ta kay nakakita man ta bisag dili ta mo apply. So the big advantages of this is the hard for materials or the materials are not available, but naatay knowledge nga atong nahibaw-an unsaon pagbuhat anang butanga.
Teacher-centered approach is focuses on the giving information. This is good for managing time, but limits student participation.
The child-centered approach allows students to explore and take part actively. This also improves thinking skills but can take more time.
And the demonstration approach uses actual activities to help us learn better. It makes learning visual, but materials might be a problem.
In this approach or each approach the eye is very useful to a different situation. Like makapangutan na ka nga unsa day importante or unsa day ang maka-help sa students para ma-improve ang ilahang learning process. Muna mo pangutan na por mamili ra kag mga strategies, daghantang strategies nga pagkapilian nganong ang estudyante ma-improve. Nasabtan na ba? Kung nasabtan ra, kung wala na question, clarification, or any violent reaction, let's end our online discussion. Bye, class!